Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a dark makeup look that gives dark feminine energy. I was feeling so down today. I thought why not do something to get my confidence and energy back. Makeup is a literal therapy for me. I love doing it and I truly enjoy it. So for the base, I'm using this super popular L'Oreal Infallible Tinted Serum in the shade 3-4 Light Medium. I love the formula, to be honest. It is very serum like and super comfortable on the skin, and it is so easy to blend and work with it. At first I thought the undertone was a bit off, but once you blend it, it melts into your skin and just becomes a part of it. If you're someone who wants something lightweight and doesn't feel like wearing foundation every time you do your makeup, you should definitely check this out. And yes, it does oxidize by about a shade. For the eyeshadow, I started with a beige shade first, and then I'm going in with brown. I'm going to pack the brown on the outer part of my lid and slowly blend it inwards. I want the most intense brown to stay at the outer edge. Next, I'm going to color correct with a peach color corrector and then apply my concealer. I'll wipe my eyeshadow upwards to create a clean, lifted eye look. This is a great trick if you want an easy eyeshadow look. You can just apply it all over your lids and then wipe it off in the shape you want for a sharp, defined eyes. I'm gonna blend my concealer upwards as well. I don't know, I've been breaking out a lot these days, so I'm just going to cover my pimples with some concealer and mattify them a bit. For blush, we are going for a peachy brown look. Mostly I want to go for brown, but I don't really have a brown blush, so I'm starting with this peach blush first. I'm going to apply it in a lifted way from my cheekbone to my temple. To make it more brownish, I'm going to use this brown contour powder and just top it off. I know it looks really intense right now, but we will fix it once we set our under eyes and apply our makeup setting spray. It will all blend and settle nicely. To set my under eyes, I'm using this Mars setting powder, and lately I've been feeling like it is making my under eyes a bit dry. I'm not sure, maybe I should try a different setting powder too. I feel like this look is totally a trust the process kind of look. For eyebrows, I'm using this pencil from Etude that I recently got, and for this look I'm just going to fill in the spaces. Then I'll apply a brow gel to make them look fluffier and keep them in place. This one is from Glam and I love it. It is really a nice gel that keeps your brows set all day. I'm gonna apply my liner. I wanted a lifted look, so I'm going to intensify my liner with a deep black eyeshadow. I recently got this single eyeshadow from Kiko Milano, and honestly I'm really disappointed with it. The pigmentation isn't great, as you can see. At the moment this was the only black I had, so I sprayed a bit of water on it to make it work, but I'm honestly really disappointed, especially since I paid around more than 300 for a single eyeshadow. Definitely a no for me. इतने में मार्स का पूरा एक eyeshadow palette आ जाता है और उनकी इससे अच्छी pigmentation होती है. Here I'm just applying kajal on my inner corners as well, and then I'm gonna do some contouring. Gonna apply my favorite mascara from Maybelline Sky High. Then I'm just using the same black eyeshadow to pack my kajal so it stays longer. Finally, I'll set everything with a makeup fixer. It blends all the powders together and makes your makeup look seamless. For the lips, I'm using this lip liner from Mars in the shade Cinnamon Roll. For lips, I like to go for round lips. It gives the illusion of lip fillers, which I personally like. Use any reddish peachy shade and then apply some concealer on top of it to make it nudish. I'll link all the products I'm using down below so you can check them out. Gonna intensify my blush a bit and we are done.